Hey Mecha fans, welcome back for another preview. Today we will be looking at the upcoming 2026 release. First on the list is the Gundam G-Quacks. Based on the photos and feedback from Facebook, this seems to be showing as AI generated. So take this with a grain of salt because no official announcement has been made yet from the manufacturer. This is rumored to have a price tag of 26 RMB or around $4 US. And whoever actually uploaded this on the web generated this convincing image of even putting up the runners on display. And since there's no official name of the manufacturer provided, so this is still considered as a rumor. SNAA had just announced their 8th Knights of Round series. Next on the list is the SNAA Soul Spear Lamorak. This is part of the actual line of SNAA Beyond Exquisite, which features real grade details. The design is based on the knightly aesthetics. This is the refined version of the Iron Sickle unit, now wielding a soul spear. It is rumored to be available within the end of the year, but I highly doubt that. In China, this will be priced around 55 RMB or around $8 US. This kit will be priced internationally around 25 to $29 US. Pre-order is already up in some of the retailers here in Asia. Here in Southeast Asia, this is being priced around 12 to $11 US. Price really varies depending on your region. And Motor Nuclear just announced their next figure. This is Baihu and Husha. They will be releasing two versions of this figure. First is just the Baihu figure, and the second one is the Baihu and Husha as a set. Rumor has it that this will be released expectedly around the first quarter of 2026. No definite price has been announced by the manufacturer. And like their Xiaoyun model kit, I am hoping that Motor Nuclear will release an actual model kit for this version because this one really looks amazing. Thank you for reaching this far. Subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.